In this video, we're going to focus on dividing a fraction by a whole number. We're going to start by looking at a problem that's already been worked out for us. We have 1/3 divided by 4. And in this problem, what they did was they started by illustrating 1/3. Now, in the next part, they took that 1/3 and they partitioned the one piece that was colored in into 4 pieces based on their whole number. Then those partitions that they added in that top row, they extended all the way down, just like that. They extended them all the way down, and now they have 12 itty bitty pieces in their square. We are only focused on one of those 12. One of those whole is going to give us 1/3 divided by 4 equals 1/12. So now let's think about 1/3 divided by 8. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to partition this square into thirds. And then I'm going to color in 1/3 of my shape. Just like that. So now what I have is I have partitioned that 1/3 into 8 pieces. Okay, so we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so we have our 8 pieces there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take each one of these and we're going to extend it all the way down to the bottom of our shape. So once we have extended them all the way down to the bottom of our shape, we now are able to figure out our denominator. Our denominator is going to be what? Exactly, it's going to be 24, because if there's 8 pieces in the top row, that means in the middle row, another 8 pieces to give us 16, and then 24. Now, we are only focused on 1/3 divided by 8 wholes. So that means that 1/3 divided by 8 wholes is going to be 1/24. So let's look at another one. So here we have 1/5 divided by 3. So again, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to partition my shape into fifths. Just like this. And I'm going to color in 1/5. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that fifth that I have there, that 1/5, and I'm going to partition it into thirds. So now that I have partitioned it into thirds, I am going to extend those thirds all the way up to the top. All the way up to the top. And by extending those, I now have given myself a new denominator. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 pieces, but we are only focused on 1/5 divided by 3 wholes, which means we're going to get 1/15. All right, that is where we are stopping.